Hello everyone, this is Civ Extraordinaire, and today I have a bit of a different video for you guys because I'm doing a brief channel overview, and this is more of a general video. It's not related to strategy specifically, and as we are now passing our first milestone, our first month on YouTube, or just about our first month, it'll be our first month, 30 days to be precise, where we make that first milestone. So I just thought, in the spirit of Thanksgiving, in the spirit of transparency, we would go ahead, or I would go ahead and publish a video just on how well we've done. And for new content creators, just who are looking to create a channel, and I think this is a great opportunity to create a channel, especially during the pandemic, and when YouTube has seen like a 75% spike in viewership. I think it's a great opportunity to jump in and really take a shot at the YouTube career. I'm certainly not looking at it as a career, but more as a hobby. But nevertheless, I just wanted to quickly go over some of my views. I haven't made any earnings, of course, because I'm not at 1,000 subscribers, but I just wanted to do a quick progress report and really look over how well my channel has been doing. So without further ado, I just have the Manage Videos tab open, and here are some of my videos. If you haven't looked at my channel already, Civ Extraordinaire, I basically do strategy videos. Earlier I tried doing some things like Fall Guys and whatnot and other content, but that really didn't kick off as much as Civ 6 has, and that's kind of the primary focus of my channel, that and Let's Plays and kind of tutorials for Civ 6, until I can grow out more and cover more content that kind of draws in less viewers, like Endless Legend, and hopefully I get a chance to review Humankind and do that later on in the year, or early next year in April 2021, when the game is expected to release. But that is off in the future, and I don't know how well my channel will be at then, and how popular Humankind will be. So it's more of a demand thing, because most of my subscribers are looking specifically for Civilization 6 content, so I'll just have to see how that blows over with them. But nevertheless, you can just see I have some Let's Play videos here, specifically the Mapuche. That's been what I've been doing recently. But in between the mix, I've been tossing in some content like recent reviews for the DLC. I even did a tutorial guide, which has done really well, for whether or not you should build a monument first or a granary, which is a specific city center building in Civilization 6. I've done a guide on where you should settle your first city. I've done some one-off content here, like Byzantium, and a whole bunch of stuff in between, so it's not just this boring, constant stream of Let's Plays, or like a single Let's Play. So that's really just to dice things up and keep the content interesting and varied for my viewers, so they don't get bored and click out, and just to keep their retention rates up. So if we're going to go into the meat of this video, why you probably clicked the video, it's to see the analytics. Specifically, you can see the views. We've gotten over 3,000 views in the last 28 days, and I've been told this has been really, really good for the channel. I'm no YouTube expert or savant, but 3,000 views, just generally speaking, for a new channel, seems to be pretty impressive. Also, our subscribers have been pretty well. I'm not sure why I spiked recently in the past few days, because 3 subscribers is unusual in a single day. I only got that with other hit videos, but I didn't really release a hit video out then. So I think it was just advertising, possibly, on different forums like subreddits and whatnot, where I do constantly, and I'll talk about that in a bit. But subscribership has been lower compared to views, unfortunately, so I'm kind of working on viewer retention. But I think, especially with the COVID pandemic and whatever, that's helped to boost my views and some of my watch time and subscribers. So again, I think this is an excellent opportunity to launch a YouTube channel. Now, some of my top videos, again, have not been my Let's Plays, but some of my more dedicated subscribers, I believe, like to watch my Let's Plays. The reason I'm even doing one of my Let's Plays right now is because a subscriber requested it, and I am getting a significant amount of likes compared to some of my tips videos. on my Let's Play, so I know that my subscribers are at least giving positive feedback, and they will hopefully stay subscribed for that kind of content. But as you can see here, most of my top videos have been basically new content like Babylon, or monuments and granaries, tips, and all that sort of stuff. So I've slowly kind of tried to increase my viewer rating. 18% is pretty good for that kind of my most recent video, but that's just something I've slowly been trying to increase. And then some of the comments, I've got some spam bots, unfortunately, commenting like some porn links or whatever. But it is what it is. Kind of as a budgeting YouTuber, you don't really have moderators to get rid of that stuff, but that's okay. YouTube sorts that stuff out anyway. But again, for some of my advertising, how I've managed to get some of these views, one of my main strategies has just been to go over on subreddits and forums, and not to spam things necessarily, but just every once in a while post one of my videos, try to offer insightful commentary, be nice about it, and try to be welcoming to the community, and just try not to force things down people's throats. Just generally be diplomatic about it. I found that not being ham-fisted and trying to brute force your way through with upvotes and whatever has been really successful, and just to let people naturally click on the video without being too clickbaity has been a surefire way to get some significant views. So I've definitely noticed a correlation between, I'll just take a look at my traffic real quick. Like right here, I've noticed a correlation between advertising a lot and of course getting some traffic. I've even gotten like over 20,000 or near 20,000 impressions, which is very nice. And only 20% of that is from YouTube recommending my content, and that's pretty big because a lot of that is obviously from Reddit and just posting there, and on Discord as well. So if YouTube doesn't recommend your stuff and you're a smaller channel, you're not really having that clout, just advertising a lot really helps you get started, especially when you only have like 27 subscribers like I do. So I just wanted to give a brief impression, see like external, that's 80% of my content, 63 is coming from Reddit. So I think I have a bit of credibility in saying that advertising is really helping. But that was just a quick, brief analysis of my channel for the next month. If people are interested enough, I'll post another analysis in the next upcoming month, or the next 2 months, whatever have you, depending on how popular this video is. But I didn't want to waste too much of your time, so this has been Civ Extraordinaire. I should be uploading some new strategy gameplay, and possibly some tips and tricks. I'm not too sure what specifically people are going to want. I'll just probably ask that in the comments. But I actually have a poll up for my next strategy game for Civ 6, so stay tuned for that. But this has just, again, been a brief video. I hope you guys liked it. Leave a like and subscribe if you did for more content, and make sure to hit that notification bell. This has been Civ Extraordinaire, and please stay safe. Alright, see you guys.